Welcome to the world of Ducati. The new 2023 Scrambler 800 Icon is Ducati's most affordable option that immediately grabs your gaze with its hipster-inspired design. From the classic round headlight with the big X in the middle to the teardrop fuel tank, it has a lot of retro charm. Well, I must admit that I didn't like the Scrambler at first. I sat on it from a BMW R1250 RS and man, these are two really different motorcycles. And sadly Ducati is the one that is down on the food chain. But I had it for a few days and after a while I changed my opinion. It's not that bad for what it's supposed to do. So here are my thoughts. The position behind the bar is not bad, but the seat is not comfy at all. And also this Scrambler is not the most spacious bike around, which could be a problem for taller riders. Despite that, its compact size makes it an excellent choice for smaller riders or newcomers to motorcycling. Underneath its cool looks, the Scrambler hides an 800cc Desmo V-twin engine. This engine makes your ride feel nice and smooth, but watch out, it's got some serious power. Even riders who've been around the block might be in for a surprise. The excitement it brings is just amazing. Riding this bike at speeds exceeding 100 km per hour is not something you would love to do. The wind resistance can feel quite intense, almost like facing a hurricane ahead. Well, it's not something that I have ever experienced, not even a breeze of a hurricane, but let's say I imagine it like that, okay? As a result, the Scrambler 800 truly excels in urban and light off-road environments. Also, in my opinion, that this Ducati should bear the name Flat Tracker instead of Scrambler. It seems to suit its personality better. In summary, the Scrambler 800 Icon seamlessly blends style and performance. It appeals to those who value the aesthetics of motorcycling and the thrill of a potent engine. This bike offers an exciting and stylish entry into the world of Ducati motorcycling. So, as a YouTuber, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. Thanks and have fun!
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind.